Hey everyone, it's Vidhi and welcome back to another lookbook. So a lot of you guys requested me to do a curvy girl look or how to dress up if you're curvy or how to style. So this video is solution to all those issues. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So speaking about the first outfit, I paired texty with high-waisted denims. Always wear high-waisted denim, people. It will make you look slimmer and enhance your curves. Pair a crop top or a well-fitted top, or if you want to go oversized, tie a knot and you are sorted.
Universe, girl, take my hand and you will see we've got just one life, baby. So live it up, take it one day at a time. Keep it shining like the stars we see above. I wanted to be here by my side, my tropical love.
So this one is when you feel bloated or when you don't want to slip into something which is complicated. So slip into a maxi dress. They are hell comfortable, and you guys know my love for maxi dress. They are totally game changer.
Exploring hidden caves or surfing waves into the night on the beaches of Hawaii. Drinks in Ibiza, anywhere you wanna go, baby, you just let me know. Sunny Indonesia, don't say no. Sipping on tequila, anything you wanna see, be there in a heartbeat. Just say the words and we.
This is one of my favorite look. I love wearing Indian. I paired a basic kurta with these white distressed crop jeans. The way I have styled it with these beautiful statement earrings, and that's about it.
Keep it shining like the stars we see above. I wanted to be here by my side, my tropical love.
The last outfit is this blue dress. I paired this with a belt just to give some definition to my waist, keeping it neutral with minimal jewelry and boots, and yeah, that's it.
My tropical love. I wanted to be here by my side, my tropical love. I wanted to be here by my side, my tropical love.
That's it for the video, guys. I really hope you found this helpful. Make sure you hit like, share, subscribe, and comment down below your favorite look, and I'll see you next time. Bye.